Does your PC feel slow? Maybe it takes forever to start. Or apps keep freezing. In this video, I'll show you simple but powerful ways to make your computer run like new. Faster startup, smoother performance, and quicker processing, all without spending a dime. When the PC crashes or is slow to load, it is most likely that the C drive is already filled. Step 1. Clean out temporary files. First, press the Windows key plus R button, and type this command on your screen and press Enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select all these junk files. Don't worry, these are safe to delete. Press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete the files. If you see a pop-up saying a file is in use, just check the box that says, "Do this for all current items," and click Skip. That's perfectly normal. Then close the folder. After that, press Windows key plus R again, type this on the screen, Ctrl plus A to select all, then Shift plus Delete to permanently delete. Close folder, press Windows key plus R again, type this in the box, press Enter, select all and permanently delete. Close. Step 2. Disk cleanup. Now that we've done the manual cleaning, let's use a powerful tool that's already built into Windows. Go to your Start menu and type Disk Cleanup. Open the app. It will ask you to select a drive. Just leave it as C. Click OK. The tool will calculate how much space you can save. In the next window, you can check all the boxes, things like temporary, internet files, and the recycle bin. Once you've selected what you want to clean, click OK and then delete files. This is a safe and very effective way to clear out even more junk. Step 3. This final tip will make the biggest difference to your startup speed. Many programs set themselves to launch automatically when you turn on your computer, even if you don't need them. Let's turn them off. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Click on the Startup or Startup Apps in Windows 11. Go through this list. For any program you don't need the second your computer starts, like Spotify, Steam, or Discord, just click on it and then click the Disable button at the bottom. Don't disable your antivirus or anything you don't recognize. Close, and that's it. By cleaning out those temporary files, running disk cleanup, and managing your startup apps, you've just given your PC a major tune-up. It should now start faster and run much more smoothly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech finance tips. So let me know in the comments how much faster your PC is now. Thanks for watching.